In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set up some product variants into Shopify, so you can offer options like the size, the color, and the style directly into your product pages. So product variants in the Shopify allows you to offer multiple options under a single product listing. For example, if you're selling t-shirts, you can add your color, you can add sizes, and fabric choices as variants. This makes it easier for customers to find what they'll need, so while keeping your product page clean. To get started, I'm going to go directly into my Shopify dashboard. If you don't have a website with Shopify, you have the link down below in the description so you can try it out for a few days, and then you can choose to pay for $1 each month for the next 3 months if you want to stick around a little bit more in Shopify. Now, to add variants, let's first of all look into our Shopify, claim your free store, and now let's start going for the left part that says products. Inside products, let's click into the section that we wanted to edit. If you don't have one product, you don't have to worry about it. Let's go for add our very first product. Here, let's start to change the title. For example, show it t-shirt. Now here, we can change the description of a product, such as, for example, let's say product 100% cotton. Now here, into upload a media, it should be really important to add the image that's going to be represented how it actually looks your shirt. In this case, my shirt. Now, as you can see, we have this category that we can add directly into our store. This is totally optional. In my case, this one actually works for me. So let's look out for clothing tops, t-shirt and clothing tops, and we can add text, product type, bundle, collections, and much more. I'm going to choose the price of this product, which is $5. We have the quantity, the shipping, the variant, the category meta fields, and the search engine listing. Now here, in this part, I'm going to hit first to save. I'm going to hit into preview to check out how it actually looks to our very first product of our store. So as you can see, it doesn't look that bad. Now, let's add our very first variant of our product. Let's go back. If you scroll down, we have the variant options. Let's add options, and let's add our very first new variant, which in this case should be our size. So we can go for option name, and we can add sizes. Currently, we have small, medium, large, and XL. So we can add whatever you want to. In my case, I use added sizes. And then I'm going to add a new variant, which is the color. Now inside the color, I'm going to hit now into done. I click here, and I'm going to add a new color. Here, let's try to add orange. Select it, and go for done. Now, if I hit into edit the element, this is going to be really important if you want to showcase a new image for this variant. In this case, where it says image, I hit into select image, add image, and instead of the red one and instead of the black one, I'm going to select the orangey. I hit into open, select the current uploaded image, and go for done. Now I have the color and the image located. We can change color, handle, and save. There we go. If I hit into black, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Select the image of my product, hit into done. Here's the reference, and I hit into save. Now when I hit into done, let's go all the way up and go for save. Now let's go back into our products and reload the page to see if the variants are now available. Now you can see that here it appears to our new products. Now into my variants, I can choose the size and the color of the product, which in this case should be medium. Reload my page, and once I choose one specific size and one specific color, it should be appearing in here. So check out how it actually changes when I look out for something else. This is how the product, it actually check the boxes and say that this product has different options, like in here, the size, the color, and the quantity. Shopify also lets you customize each variant separately. For example, you can adjust the price if one color or size costs more. Let's go back. And here I have the price of the small version. So the large one, let's say this one costs $7 or $6. and this one costs $7. Make sure that you have just to use exactly the same price for each variant, which in our case are the actual colors. So once I have now updated these elements, let's hit now into save, back into our product store, reload the page, and make sure that when we change the color sizes, the price changes as well. So we have 5, 6, and 7. You can also rearrange the order of your variants to make them more user-friendly, or delete options if you need to update your offerings. Just simply drag and drop the elements that you would like to see first or after. Hit into done and make sure you always save your changes. Finally, it's time to preview your product on the storefront. So click through the different size and color options to make sure everything is displaying correctly and that the images, pricing, the inventory levels are updated based on the selected variants. So in this tutorial, we covered how to add variants to your product, including the sizes, the colors, and custom pricing. The product variants are essential for improving customer experience, so be sure to keep your option organized and easy to navigate. If this tutorial helped, hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips. Thank you so much. Hopefully we can see you next time.